Three cheapest days, or Sabse Sasta Teen Din as it is called in Hindi, started in 2006 January. So in many ways, this is the 10th three cheapest days. You can call it the 10th anniversary of three cheapest days. As I told you, it started in 2006, and around this 10th year, customers come in thousands into our stores because of some fantastic offers that we give to our customers. The process that we follow for this three cheapest days is that we meet the customers in the last 6 months, understand the trends, what are the products the customers want, and come and give to the customers some honest pricing. This honest pricing across all the categories, that is in food bazaar, in fashion, in general merchandise, in home fashion, in electronics and in mobiles. Across categories, across products, we give some fantastic offers. If we take across the country, about 1 crore customers walk into our stores. This year too, we have come out with some fantastic offers. To give you some examples, in Food Bazaar in Andhra Pradesh, in 5 liters of sunflower oil, which is Fortune 5 liter sunflower oil, Pillsbury Atta 5 kgs and sugar 5 kgs, Madhur sugar 5 kgs, we are giving at 666, MRP is 1099. In fashion, offers range from 20% to 50%. Apart from that, some fantastic offers on men's t-shirts at buy one get one, in men's jeans buy one get one, and in ladies and kids apparels on some select range there's a buy one get one offers. In electronics, that is in Corio TV, we are giving LED TV 32 inch at 13,999. And that if we look at this way, we have offers across all the categories based on what the customer wants, what are the new trends, and honest pricing is what is the hallmark of these three cheapest days. Like every year, this year too, we are coming out with some fantastic offers. This time, the three cheapest days, that is Sabse Sasta Teen Din, is from 24th of January to 26th of January.